What up, everybody? It's Saturday morning. It's been a minute since I last spoke with y'all, all my number one fans and subscribers, all 23 of you. I'm out here in Bloomington. We're doing some car stuff. My homie Sonny is hooking it up. He's selling me his bike rack. So, I mean, I don't have a bike or anything, but it looks cool as hell. So, call me fake, but I don't care. This shit looks tight. And then once I get that on, we'll see what the rest of the car looks like. But I'm pretty happy with how everything's looking so far with all the additions I made to my car. Other than that, we'll check back up. And Sonny is he's showing me how to put it on, but he's kind of doing everything. So once they're on, they're never coming off because I ain't know how to take that shit off. So
you should put the thing first.
I know. Progress update. We got the bike racks on, making my car look mean.
Damn.
Like you need to go to anger management. Mean. Wow. I'm gonna add a few more things and then we'll show the end result.